we're here on the Callaway Performance Trailer. I'm here with Tour Performance rep Johnny Thompson, and we have something you guys have been asking for forever. So since Paradym AI Smoke launched, we had Triple Diamond, we had Max, but there was one head that you guys saw out on tour, the Triple Diamond Max. So by popular demand, we are going to be releasing this to you gearheads, but I want him, he's the man that's been kind of putting these in bags over the last 2 or 3 months. Explain what we have here and what the difference is between this and Triple Diamond.
Yeah, the big thing is Triple Diamond has always been our horsepower. It's been the fastest ball speeds. If anything we could have added into it would have been to turn over a little bit easier, and that's sort of what helped birth this Triple Diamond Max. The shape is very similar to the Triple Diamond. It's like a squash version of it. So the face is a little shallower. It's a little bit deeper front to back and then a little bit wider heel to toe. With that, you're gonna get more spin. So you'll definitely see more spin with this Triple Diamond Max. And the ability to shape it both ways is a little bit easier. Triple Diamond, very easy, straight, very neutral, very easy to fade. A little bit tougher to turn over, where this is quite easy to turn over, but at the same time too, depending on how you set up the weights, can be very easy to fade as well.
Well, one of the cool things with the Triple Diamond drivers, the platform itself, is you can actually make them super forgiving. So this, whenever you squash a head like that or make it a like slightly maybe longer heel to toe, face closure is a big thing and start lines get a little bit easier. So with Triple Diamond, the normal one, the start line would be maybe a tick right of normal by design, right?
Correct, yeah.
This is gonna have a kind of a straighter start line, which would make it easier to turn over.
Yeah, that in addition to face progression. So those two things, there's a little bit different spec on face progression. So
this one has a little bit more.
The face is more forward on the Triple Diamond, whereas on the Triple Diamond Max, it's pulled back a little bit. So it's just that little bit more time for the toe to square up and to center punch it.
So like for people at home, when we talk about face progression, it's when the top line sits slightly ahead of the hosel. So you have offset and onset. So typically if there's onset, the ball wants to start a little further right. When there's offset, it wants to start a little further straight or a little bit further left, all kind of falling in line with a lot of our tour guys that are tending to move it a little bit more right to left than normal. I would say in the years past, we have a lot of cutters, but some guys like to turn it over like Emmy and some of these other players. This head, I would say, probably falls in between Triple Diamond and our normal Max head. It's just a kind of a nice middle ground. So that's the whole story on Triple Diamond Max. It will be available. CallawayGolf.com. You'll be able to get your hands on this true tour part. Excited for you guys to try this. All you gearheads out there, get your hands on finally Triple Diamond Max. But it's Johnny and Johnny from the truck. We're out of here.